evaluates whether characters act morally, what ethical lessons are presented, and what the audience is meant.
It focuses on moral responsibility and the dangers of ambition without ethical restraint. It explores how the desire to push scientific boundaries can lead to tragic consequences when empathy and accountability are ignored. Additionally, it highlights themes of humanity, rejection, and the longing for acceptance.
The film presents several major moral and ethical issues, responsible scientific experimentation driven by pride rather than force, creation without responsibility as Peter Frankenstein abandons them, the being humane, judgment based on appearance, showing society more tailored to create the creature human, emotional neglect, which shapes the creature into something violent despite beginning as innocent. Consequence are secrecy and denial as Victor hides the truth even villains are.
Most of the characters' decisions are not morally justified. Victor Frankenstein's choices creating life recklessly, abandoning inspiration, denying the truth, and refusing accountability reflect moral cowardice. The creature's violent acts cannot be fully justified, but the film shows how constant rejection, isolation, and cruelty push him toward destructive behavior. While his actions are wrong, they stem from suffering caused by Victor's negligence. The film presents a clear relationship between actions and consequences. Positive attempts, such as the creature's early kindness, demonstrate the potential for goodness when compassion exists. Negative actions, including Victor's negligence, fear, and dishonesty, create a chain of tragedy that ends with multiple deaths and emotional devastation. Society's cruelty towards creatures results in hate, resentment, and behavior, proving how immoral treatment chooses harmful outcomes. Lacks integrity. Victor Frankenstein shows a complete absence of integrity. He refuses to acknowledge his creation, abandons it, hides the truth, and chooses pride over responsibility. Demonstrate integrity. Elizabeth shows compassion, emotional courage, and loyalty. She consistently embodies empathy even when Victor fails to do so. Mixed integrity. The creature begins as morally innocent and seeks connection, but loses their weak integrity as he responds violently to rejection and cruelty. The film teaches several powerful moral lessons. One must face the consequences of one's actions. Ambition must be guided by ethics, not pride. Judging others by appearance causes harm and injustice. Compassion can prevent destruction, while rejection can create monsters. Responsibility is a moral duty, especially when our choices affect others.
Appeal promotes ethical responsibility, empathy, and accountability. It encourages the belief that humanity is not defined by the appearance but by actions and moral choices. It also warns that science must be paired with conscience to prevent harm.
A moral evaluation of Victor Frankenstein reveals the Vietnam protagonist make he act with responsibility, avoid accountability, and prioritize ambition over ethics. His failure to care for the life he created is morally justified. From a moralist standpoint, Victor exemplifies how a lack of courage, integrity, and empathy leads to destruction. Film served as a public moral warning about the consequences of unethical ambition and emotional neglect. Its portrayal of irresponsibility, compassion, and human need for acceptance creates a powerful message that resonates beyond the story. Overall, the film is a strong moral narrative that encourages viewers to reflect on their choices and the ethical impact of their actions.